welcome back to the second chapter of the series Gangtok and Local Sightseeing. Our road trip from NGP to Gangtok is already discussed in the previous video, so let's go for a quick recap before proceed. Our hotel from here is another 5 km, which is located at Kazi Road, Gangtok, near Sikkim Legislative Assembly, named Hotel Fairview, and we reserved 2 cabs to reach there. This is the view of our hotel. We have checked into our hotel at around 11 am. We have planned to visit the local sightseeing after having some refreshment for the rest of the day. Here are the places that we will visit in this tour. The most popular and the standard sightseeing tours are 3 points, 7 points or 10 points offered by all the local taxi drivers. The MG Marg and Lal Bazar area is a walking distance from our hotel and also from most of the hotels around in Gangtok. This place is a must visit because without it, a visit to Gangtok is really incomplete. Lal Bazar portrays the true vibrant color of Sikkim, located just below the MG Marg. The old market has been modernized into a shopping complex termed as Kanchanjunga Shopping Plaza. The road is lined up with glittering shops, restaurants, cafes and bars on both sides. It is like a carnival-like atmosphere out there. The annual Gangtok Food and Cultural Festival is held here at MG Marg in December. The entire area is free of litter, smoke and vehicles. It is very beautifully located at the heart of the town, having the audience capacity of 30,000 approx. The gorgeous view of Gangtok town can be seen from here. It would be about 20 minutes walk from MG Marg main market, though you hired a car for visit. If you are a flower lover, then this is the place for you. But the best time to visit is between March to June, when the orchids are in full bloom and put on display. It is the Flower Exhibition Center which holds the annual orchid show. However, admission fee for Flower Exhibition Center is ₹10 per person. It's open from 9 am to 5:15 pm daily. This monastery can be seen from Ganesh Top, another viewpoint of Gangtok. It is located at a higher altitude and is famous for its Chinese pagoda style design. There is no admission fee. The monastery is open for visitors every day between 6 am to 4 pm. It can be reached in about 10 minutes from Gangtok by car. We have just reached Hanuman Top. Here Tok means temple, so it is the temple of Lord Hanuman. It is located at an altitude of 7,200 feet and at a distance of 11 kilometers from Gangtok town. It offers the best view of Kanchanjunga. In 1968, the entire area was handed over to Indian Army. It is now maintained and preserved by the units of 17th Mountain Division of the Army. Here we are at Ganesh Top. It is located at an altitude of 6,500 feet. Opposite to Ganesh Top is the entrance of the zoo, that is the Himalayan Zoological Park, which we have skipped due to the lack of time. You can see the Gangtok town, rolling hill and the snow-capped mountains including Kanchanjunga from here. It is only 6 km from Gangtok town. Tasi Viewpoint is located on Gangtok Chungthang Road. It is the main connecting road to North Sikkim. A great viewpoint for watching the Kanchanjunga snow peaks on a clear day, also an excellent place for sunrise view. It is just about 8 kilometers from the Gangtok town. This monastery is very close to Tasi Viewpoint. The location and view from here is very pleasing. This is a wonderful waterfall located on the North Sikkim Highway. While visiting Tasi Viewpoint or returning, it is worth stopping at the roadside waterfall for some time. Another attraction here for the young and energetic is the rope sliding. These following places have been skipped because of our tight schedule. These tourist spots are on a particular route and can be covered on another day. Another separate single-day tour can be conducted to Changu Lake, Nathula Pass and Baba Harbhajan Singh Mandir from Gangtok. It's time to say goodbye, my friends. We'll be there in Road to Lachen, the next chapter of the series. Thank you.